You felt it, haven't you? That hollow feeling that lingers deep within you. The frustration that you're stuck in the same cycle, trapped by your own limitations, the same old habits that have you playing small. You've been living in the shadows of your potential, telling yourself that this is all you're meant to be, that this is the best version of yourself. But somewhere inside, you know, this isn't it. This isn't the full you. This isn't the version of yourself that you were born to be. What if I told you that there's a way to escape that? That the version of you that you are right now, this weak, scared, complacent version, has to die in order for you to evolve into something greater? What if the person you've been until this very moment has to be killed off, just like a snake sheds its skin, so that you can rise up as something stronger, more powerful, more dangerous? That's the Phoenix method, Rebirth. It's the art of burning away everything that holds you back, everything that keeps you in chains, and transforming yourself into something that no longer fears the fire, but instead emerges from it, stronger, harder, unstoppable. You cannot move forward until you let go of who you were. It's time to let the ashes fall where they may and walk away from your past self. The phoenix doesn't mourn its death. It doesn't look back. It doesn't try to piece together what was. It rises from the ashes, reborn, stronger than ever before. And you have the exact same power. The power to destroy the old you, to set fire to everything that no longer serves you, and to rise from the ashes into something greater. This process, it's painful, it's brutal, but it's necessary. If you truly want to transform, to become someone who commands respect, someone who dominates every area of their life, then you must embrace the Phoenix method. You must be willing to kill the version of you that's been holding you back. And that starts now. Step 1. Face the pain head on. The first step in the Phoenix method is confronting the truth. Not the watered-down version, not the safe truth that society tells you to believe. The raw, painful truth. Look at yourself in the mirror. See the weakness, the flaws, and the insecurities. Don't look away. Don't pretend everything's fine. The first step to killing your old self is accepting that you've been living in a delusion. You've been feeding your ego, lying to yourself about who you really are. It's time to destroy that lie. Take that truth head on. Feel the weight of it, the heaviness of your own limitations. It hurts. But only in the pain will you find the fuel for the fire that will cleanse you. Only when you acknowledge your flaws can you begin to tear them down. Stand tall, face it with eyes wide open, and say to yourself, I am ready to destroy who I was. Step 2, burn the old identity. Now you begin the real work. To kill your old self means you have to burn everything you've built up in your mind about who you are. The labels, the excuses, the past failures that have defined you. Throw them all into the fire. Burn them. These things don't serve you anymore. Your identity was built from everything you've learned, experienced, and accepted as who you are. But that old you, it's holding you back. That version of yourself that cowers in fear, that seeks validation, that makes excuses, is dead. Burn that old version of yourself and don't look back. You can't keep one foot in your past while you're trying to evolve into something better. No more nostalgia. No more comfort. No more pretending that who you were will ever be enough. Destroy your identity so you can build a new one. One that is forged from your deepest desires and your most powerful ambitions. Step 3. Eliminate your weaknesses. This step is brutal. It's about facing your own weaknesses head-on and attacking them. Every small weakness, every insecurity, every bad habit that has kept you small, kill it. Stop sugarcoating things. Stop pretending like your flaws are something you'll just work on eventually. This is the moment to confront them. The weak parts of yourself are the chains that have held you captive. Whether it's procrastination, fear of rejection, self-doubt, or laziness, these are your chains, and they have to be destroyed. Cut them off. Rip them out by their roots. It's time to take control, to stop giving excuses, and to start becoming the man you've always been capable of being. No more fear. No more hesitation. Step 4. Embrace discipline and control. The man you were before lacked the discipline needed to ascend. The weak, distracted version of you would get sidetracked, give in to temptation, and waste time. But not anymore. Discipline is what separates the boys from the men. It's time to step up and impose control on every aspect of your life. Wake up early, eat right, train harder than you ever have. Manage your time like your life depends on it, because it does. This isn't about finding excuses. It's about forging strength. Discipline is the foundation of the Phoenix method. If you can't control yourself, then who can you control? Discipline in all things will set you free. Step 5. Stand strong in the face of adversity. Your rebirth isn't going to be easy. There's no fairy tale ending here. As you rise from the ashes, you'll face adversity. People will try to pull you back down. Life will throw curveballs. But you must stand tall in the face of all challenges. When everything around you is falling apart, you stay solid. Resilience is a must. The Phoenix doesn't care about the storm. It stands strong in it. It is unshaken. As you walk through life's challenges, remember, pain is temporary. It's the fire that strengthens you. The more fire you face, the stronger you become. Let the world try to break you. You will rise again, every time. Step 6. Build a new, unshakable mindset. The old you thought small. The old you lived in fear, in comfort, in limitations. But now, you are going to build a new mindset. One that is unshakable. One that does not bend under pressure. You have to believe in yourself, even when the world doesn't. Your mindset is your ultimate weapon. It's the foundation that holds everything else together. Embrace a mindset that is relentless, focused, and hungry. Seek out knowledge, growth, and wisdom every single day. The world owes you nothing. You owe yourself everything. Own that mindset. Step 7. Rise as a new man, reborn from the ashes. This is it. This is where the Phoenix truly rises. Everything you've been through, all the pain, all the destruction, it was all worth it. You've killed the old version of yourself, burned away your weaknesses, embraced discipline, and faced adversity head-on. And now, as you emerge from the ashes, you are someone new, someone stronger, someone who demands respect. You are reborn. A new man forged from fire, with an unshakable purpose and a mindset that cannot be stopped. From this moment forward, you carry with you the strength, the discipline, and the relentless drive to conquer anything. You've learned to burn away everything that was holding you back. You are the Phoenix, unstoppable, unbeatable, and ready to take on the world. If you're still here, then you've made the choice. You've made the choice to rise, to become the best version of yourself. And that's the path you're on now. But remember, this transformation, this rebirth, is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. You will always have to shed your old skin to evolve further. The phoenix is reborn over and over, and so must you. But before you go, understand this. Transformation is not easy. It's uncomfortable. It's painful. But it's worth it. If you're ready to burn away the old you and become someone greater, then make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with those who need it. We're all on this journey together, and we'll rise as a pack. Stay strong, stay relentless, and rise from the ashes every single time.